Hey guys, it's Ed Ebenezer again from Semani Enterprise Tutors. Have we all been? Yes, it's been a while. Yeah, we're back again. Today we're going to be doing something quite different, and if you just take a moment, let me go to this image. This is an image where that I think this is from WordPress, okay, and then this under account management, and then this is a password. Now this is a random password. Okay, so today we're going to be developing an application that could help us generate a very strong password. I think this is what the likes of Steemit use to ensure that your passwords are lengthy and very strong, and not something that anybody can easily remember or anybody can easily guess. Okay, and then it takes, if a hacker wants to use brute force attack, it takes a lot of years, if not, yes, a million years, trillion years at times, if you use a good password checker. So today we're going to be developing an application that will do this, and then we're going to be using a password checker online to check how strong it is, and how long a hacker how long it would take a hacker to hack it. Okay, alright, so over to the code. The first thing we're going to do is, since we're going to be using, first I would like us to tell the user to input how long he would like the password to be. Okay, so that way, it makes it a little bit flexible for anybody. So you can input, probably you want a 16 character length password, you want a 20 character length password, a 50 character length password. Alright, so it depends on how the user wants it. So since we're going to be accepting input from the user, the first thing we're going to want to do is to have a scanner. So I'll just say scanner is equals to new scanner. Alright, system.in, and then I'm going to say system.out.println. How long would you want? Okay, yes, how long would you want the password to be? Okay, and then we just say int length is equals to a scanner.nextInt. Okay, so a scanner.nextInt will take the next number inputted by the user. I'm just going to close the scanner. A scanner.close. Okay, so this gets the length that the user would want. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to now say system.out.println your password is, then I would just duplicate this. Okay, and then I would call a method called generate password. Okay, and then I'll pass in the length as an argument. Alright, so let's go ahead and generate the password. Okay, so this will return a string. Alright, this will return a string. So the first thing I want us to do is firstly we're going to say not StringBuilder now, but string capital letters. Okay, so we're going to use a string to represent the capital letters, small letters like it's taught down here. Okay, and then we're going to use another string to represent symbols. Okay, so we're going to have it like this. So capital letters will be A to Z, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alright, and this will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So for the symbols, I'll just put this. Okay, you can have it as much as you like. Let me get my on-screen keyboard to input a pipe, so I'll just come here and just include that pipe. Alright, so that's being that, the next thing I want to do is I want to have a string builder. So we would like to have a string builder and call it password letters. Okay, is equals to new string builder. Now the essence of this string builder is so that we can have a single reference to both the capital letters, the small letters, and the symbols. Okay, I didn't want to use a string because strings are immutable. Alright, but it's best when you want to concatenate strings, it's best to use a string builder. Alright, so I'm going to say password letters dot append. So here I will append capital letters, I will append small letters, and I will append symbols. Okay, so in doing that, since I have that, the next thing I want to do is I want to create random objects. I'm just going to say random is equals to new random. Alright, now this will help us to move randomly inside of this string builder. So to move randomly, to pick random letters, random symbols, random small letters, random what's it called, random symbols too. So string builder, want this to be a string builder, password. Okay, this is what we'll be returning, is equals to new string builder. Alright, now we're going to have a loop that's going to loop for the number of times or the length that the user would want his password to be. So we're going to have for the for loop, I would say int counter equals to 0, counter is less than length, and then we can say counter plus plus. Alright, so if you don't understand looping, I'm going to drop a link below in this video where you can always access my tutorial on loops. And then I would like to say this, that all this code can be gotten in my GitHub repository, so do not worry yourself about typing the numerous codes. I would update it once I upload this video. Okay, so guys, let's go on. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to append now every random, once we get a random letter, a random capital letter, a random small letter, a random symbol, we want to append it to this string builder called password, and then we want to return password. So in returning a string builder as a string, you just say string builder.toString. Alright, now what we want to append is we now want to take from password letters, which it holds everything now, both the capital letters, the small letters, and the symbols. So capital letters dot character at. Okay, so this is where we're going to be needing the random object. So random dot next, alright, that's a double dot, random dot next int, and then what will be the length? The length will be the password letters dot what, dot length. Okay, so how this works is we're going to be appending one out of the many, say one letter or one symbol out of the many symbols that we have. So password letters will be, I think it's 26, 26, 52 plus 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So it's going to append, it's going to give us a random variable from that 65 length. Okay, and it's going to append it. So in every time the loops goes, it's going to be appending a variable from that 65 and then append it to password, and then here we return the password to the caller, which is here. Okay, so let's run this. So run as Java application. Say I want it 20. So this is my password: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. I can't even remember this. So okay, so that makes it strong enough. So I'll just copy this, and then I'm going to move to a website to check how strong it is. So this is how secure is my password.net. I'll enter this. So it would take, it would take a computer 3 quadrillion years to crack your password. Alright, so it will take 3 quadrillion. That tells you how strong the password is. So if I should run it again and say I want a password length of 15, alright, and then I copy just to check how long it will take now. So 2 billion years. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching. Do please continue your hands on, and have a lovely day. Thank you, and God bless you.